Hi, I'm Iron Sam and I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to make mango cheesecake. The ingredients are double cream, butter, digestives, soft cheese, mangoes in syrup, icing sugar and lemon juice. Then you need 125 grams of digestives and beat them up with a rolling pin. Next, tip the digestives into 75 grams of melted butter. Next, tip the digestives and butter into a cake tin. Next, press the digestives down into the cake tin. Next, you need to mix the icing sugar, the lemon juice, and what makes a cheesecake, cheese. In with the syrup on the mango. Now you need to chop the mango slices into little chunks carefully. Now whip the cream with a whisk until it's light and fluffy. Next, mix together the cheese and the cream and then tip in the mango. Next, scoop some of the mango mixture onto the digestive base. Next, cover the cheesecake and put it in the fridge to set overnight. See you tomorrow and good night. Now it's the next day and the cheesecake is ready. Now we have to cut it up and then taste test it. Final taste test. That's really creamy and fruity. I really like it.